Next, I'm going to give you the Mi Mix. Let's take a look.
Walking with the shadows, echoes flowing, colors glowing, in the diamond sky, shining bright, beautiful.
Do you believe it now? This display is even bigger than the iPad mini. The viewing experience will be great. Difficulties reading small characters, you can also use the foldable display. I don't use it, I don't need it. And the grip in one hand is also great. Beautiful, isn't it? When you unfold this large display, it is stunning. At the back, there is also a rear display. And it also boasts the flagship camera system. And we have all these fine processes. This is a picture of the actual device. Very beautiful. So this is the Mi MIX Fold. A display like this, when you wake it up, that very moment is magnificent and stunning. This is a true full display, without any cutout or dot on it. And this display is 8.01 inch, very large. So a very good viewing experience when you watch the video. For Mi MIX Fold, we also support the Dolby Vision technology. And it feels even better when you play game with it. So this is the Genshin Impact. They told me this is a great gaming experience. This is also a WQHD Plus display. It supports P3 color gamut with 1.07 billion color, the true color display, and HDR10 Plus, and I will not dive into details.
And we have a quad speaker to go with it. With 3-finger swipe, you enter this desktop mode. We can also call that PC mode. And you can operate these different windows at the same time. And you can, just click an image, and on the right side of the screen, you can share it with your friend on different social media. In extreme conditions, can be bent, do you know how many times? 1 million times. And it has sophisticated precision-based hinges, and it is so precisely crafted that it can reduce the weight by 27%, and also all the hinges have been bent 200,000 times in testing. We have a non-magnetic durable steel plate behind each and every hinge, so it's almost impossible to break it. We have in mind how business people need to use it, so we have 5,200 mAh battery. And we also support a 67-watt of quick charge. And let's look at our peers. One of them supports a 4500 and plus 25, the others 4500 and 55 watt. And it's just a 6.52 inch of AMOLED display. This is also very good spec compared to regular phones. It is actually much thinner. So with just one hand, you can hold it easily and comfortably. Performance-like, it supports a Qualcomm 888, the most advanced processor. We also support the butterfly cooling system. The camera system is also as spectacular. It supports 108 megapixel, and for each pixel, it can actually reach 2.1 micrometers. Look at the landscape, beautiful and spectacular mountains. And these were also taken with our phone. What about the ultra-wide angle? Also spectacular. It supports 123 degrees, and that's the beautiful sky that it shot. The phone also supports 30 times of tele-micro lens. A pavilion at the center of the lake, and sakura in blossom. It also supports tele as well as macro photography. Liquid lens technology is based on bionic technology, and it is the futuristic camera that works just like the crystals, and human eyes that can quickly switch between telephoto and micro lens. With just one lens, it can support tele and macro at the same time. This is an image processing chip that we developed in-house, Surge C1, and it is independent from SoC and is soldered onto the motherboard. Here it is.
So this sensor can greatly improve the autofocus for small objects and low light mode, and even in a complex light environment, it can also handle the information. It also has great AWB. Smartphones with a foldable display is equivalent to 2 smartphones. After a long time of R&D, we have invested so much in it. This time, Mix Fold is a little expensive. 9,999. One is 12 plus 256 GB, 9,999, 12 plus 512 GB, 10,999 Chinese yuan. We also have a special edition available. This is a ceramic special edition. And this is also a latest processing. With 3D ceramics, we try to simulate the texture of Kevlar. This is a high-end and edge-cutting processing. For this top-level configuration Mix Fold, its price will be 12,999 Chinese yuan.